Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to install Microsoft Store on your PC. So let's start. It's easy to do it. So first let's go to taskbar and write Windows Shell, okay, PowerShell here, and you will find this one. You will have this code that I will leave you in the description, and this code you have to press enter. When you do it, this will install Microsoft Store automatically without any problem. So just click on enter and you will do it. When you do it, you will have the Microsoft already on your computer. That is how you can do it without any problem, as I told you. And now you can use it, download programs, download games if you prefer, completely free, and you don't need any program more, so only that one, and just copy paste this one and that's it. Well guys, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumb up to this video.